This is a video demonstration of the Renault Kangoo wheelchair van. This Kangoo van is fitted with a wheelchair ramp. It is also fitted with an electric winch, which makes moving the wheelchair up into the van effortless. Its smaller size makes light work of parking, and the manoeuvrability is amazing. It also doubles well as a daily driver for shopping, centre car parks and moving bulky items. This is a personal van of ours, and even though the van is getting a little old, we have had no issues servicing and keeping it maintained and on the road. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.